IKEA has launched a ton of exciting new products for summer 2025. We explored some in the last video, but there were a few standout pieces I didn't get to cover. So welcome to part 2. From stylish new furniture and lighting to fresh home decor, we're diving into the best new IKEA finds of the season. Stick around as we check them all out. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss the latest updates and home inspiration. We're starting right off with the AKTERSPRING pendant lamp. Elegant in its simplicity, this pendant lamp features a brass-plated metal frame and 3 mouth-blown glass shades, suspended by beige textile cords. It casts ample light, making it ideal for illuminating your dining table, kitchen island, or living room. Each glass shade is carefully mouth-blown by skilled artisans, adding a unique and crafted touch to your space. The next find is TAGGTOFS pendant lampshade. This pendant lampshade features gently curved bamboo ribs that create the illusion of a floating inner shade, a decorative detail that adds charm to any room. It casts a soft, diffused light, perfect for creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. The flat-pack design makes it easy to take home, and you can customize your look by pairing it with a cord set of your choice. The next find is SLATORP sofa. This modern sofa blends effortlessly with most interiors and offers versatile comfort. With a simple pull, you can extend any of the back cushions to transform them into a supportive high backrest, perfect for resting your head and neck. The combination of high-resilience foam and polyester fiber wadding provides excellent support, ensuring a comfortable seating experience, whether you're sitting upright, reclining, or lying down. Plus, the loose back cushions allow you to easily adjust the seat depth and tailor the back support to your preference. The next find is GRIMSARBO side table. GRIMSARBO is a fun and functional side table with a clean Scandinavian design, perfect beside your sofa, armchair, or bed. Keep everyday essentials like books and eyeglasses neatly tucked away beneath the tabletop, helping you maintain a clutter-free surface. The tabletop features a central hole, making it easy to lift off when you need to access or hide items. Lightweight and portable, you can move the table wherever you need it. Crafted from solid wood and metal, it's built to last with timeless appeal. Adjustable feet ensure stability even on uneven floors, and it's simple to assemble and disassemble. The next find is STORKLINTA 3-drawer chest. This chest of drawers includes the anchor and unlock safety system, allowing all drawers to open at once when wall anchored, helping to reduce the risk of tipping. With 3 spacious, smooth-running drawers, it offers generous storage for bedrooms or hallways. The sleek horizontal lines and integrated handles along the top edges provide a streamlined look and effortless access, even from different angles or when your hands are full. Place multiple units side by side for a cohesive feel, and use the top surface for storage or display. The next find is DALFRED barstool. This barstool blends modern style with everyday comfort, all in a sturdy yet sleek design that's both durable and visually appealing. The 360-degree swivel makes adjusting the height as simple and fun as giving it a spin. Its versatility adds to the charm. Use it as a bar stool, a compact nightstand in a small room, or even as a stylish plant stand. The next find is FULLTALIG candlestick. Add a touch of warmth and charm to your everyday spaces with FULLTALIG, a set of 3 candlesticks in varying heights, designed to create a layered, elegant look. Their modern design complements a wide range of interior styles, while their solid appearance adds visual weight without being heavy. Whether lit or unlit, they offer both ambient lighting and decorative appeal. Lightweight and easy to move, they're perfect for any room in your home. The next find is SKÅDIS pegboard. Ideal for a home office, but just as useful in the bathroom, hallway, or kitchen. This SKÅDIS pegboard helps keep small items within easy reach. Customize your storage by choosing from a range of SKÅDIS accessories to create a setup that suits your needs. Mount the pegboard on the wall or attach it to your desk with optional connectors. Use one board or combine several to organize everything from tools to toiletries. With SKÅDIS, it's easy to keep things tidy and find what you need quickly. The next find is KALLSÖ bench with shoe storage. The KALLSÖ bench with shoe storage combines timeless design with a sturdy build and a warm, natural wood feel. Thoughtful craftsmanship details give it a classic charm that fits beautifully in traditional Scandinavian interiors. Perfect for everyday hallway use, it offers a place to sit, set down your bag, and neatly store up to 6 pairs of shoes on its shelves. Need more storage? Simply place multiple benches side by side. Made from solid pine and finished in a gray stain that highlights the wood grain, KALLSÖ is both durable and easy to maintain. Built to last and easy to love. The next find is KALLSÖ storage bench. The KALLSÖ storage bench offers a timeless, sturdy design with a warm, natural wood feel and handcrafted details that bring classic character to your hallway. It's both practical and stylish, perfect for storing everyday essentials, resting your bag, or even sitting down to put on your shoes. The top drawer is ideal for smaller items like keys and phones, while the larger bottom drawer easily holds hats, scarves, or bags. Designed with integrated handles, it fits perfectly in narrow spaces. Finished in a gray stain that highlights the wood grain, KALLSÖ blends effortlessly with other traditional Scandinavian furniture. Made from solid pine, it's durable, easy to care for, and built to last. Be sure to check out part 1 of this video for even more amazing IKEA finds for summer 2025. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching and sticking with me until the very end.